1.3 million yaenda ichichema. Tinashe Mutarisi in February, he came out publicly and disclosed that some ZANU-PF people were demanding to be bribed, and for no reason. You no longer need to have a deal go through for you to bribe them. They just pass by your area, or they just call you, mkoma imboto nayo, mkoma mne planere, mkoma itaiso. That is how they operate. So there are some authorities who were threatening to burn down Tinashe Mutarisi's business. And they clearly said, if you care about the people you are employing, if you care about the thousands who are benefiting from your company, Nash Paints, give us this money. And he said, no, I will not. So, after that threat, business ran pass. Everything has been banned. The simple question is, ndiani anepfungwa sedzemunhu anoita zvinhu zvakadai so? When you see Zimbabwe not progressing, it's not about all the other things we are told each and every day. It's because of these people, these ZANU-PF thugs. Vekuti vanhu vari kudya pavasina kushanda. Each and every time vanodya pavasina kushanda. Vangofana makudo. Iwe chako kurima, iwe chako kudya, iwe chako kurima, iwe chako kudya. How can you burn down business romwe munhu rasafira for years, rainvesta for years? 1.3 million yaenda ichichema. Just like that. And nobody cares. Then other people will come and say, I found insurance and everything. But the question is, does the insurance sector work in Zimbabwe? We have seen a lot of things happening, but the question is, does the insurance sector work? It doesn't. So, in as much as we may try to blame and put everything on Tinashe Mutarisi to say, I find insurance, I find say, we are not normal. The situation in Zimbabwe is not normal. So, I don't know, guys, where we are going, but let us register to vote and make sure that everybody is registered to vote and make sure that everybody is ready for change. That is the only way we can bring change to the nation of Zimbabwe. We can start to have meaningful businesses in Zimbabwe. This is the reason why you see some investors running away from Zimbabwe. It is what it is. Let us register to vote and make sure that we vote for change in the nation of Zimbabwe.